is taught using CBT, computer-based training, with the modern audiovisual methods of the Mi171 technical system simulation. For the best in quality training, sessions are overseen by experienced flight instructors. The Mi171 type rating training, IFR training, recurrent training, emergency procedures training, flight training in extreme conditions, and special equipment training courses are available. Customized training packages can be tailored to our clients' needs. All training courses are available in English, Russian, and Czech. The Mi171 simulator's cabin is an exact duplicate of a real helicopter cockpit. It's equipped by Dynamica, a Russian manufacturer of aircraft simulators and the global market leader in simulation technology. 8 projectors form the highest quality visual system covering panoramic projection plan areas. The simulator can be used for VMC, IMC conditions and emergency procedures. Various types of terrain in any season. Day or various weather conditions are also used for training. Engine and rotary sounds create a real flight experience. The flight instructor prepares the training flight scenario and is in continual communication with the trained crew. A training flight record is available for debriefing after a training flight. The helicopter training point is located at Ostrava International Airport. The HTP can be easily accessed by plane, car, or train. There are a lot of interesting things to do in the Moravian-Silesian region. The attractive Beskidi Mountains, modern hotels, colorful restaurants, dynamic day and nightlife. Car and small plane rentals are also available at the Ostrava Airport. Helicopter Training Point Ostrava, Czech Republic.